Hey friends, so here's a fun background idea for your art journal. I did a workshop last night, and as I was gathering up all the leftovers, I thought, wait a second, look at all these beautiful colors on these paper towels. So I saved the paper towels, and I got my Mod Podge out. And let me show you a fun way to make a collage background. So I'm going to take this paper towel and I'm going to separate it like this. And I'm going to start tearing off the pieces that have color. Specifically, I'm going to put some green on the bottom and more of the blue on the top. Now I'm doing this because I know in my head what I'm going for, which I will show you in our next video. But for now, let's do this. So that reminds me, make sure you like and subscribe so that you will be able to get notified of what's coming next. All right, so here's another one. I really like this blue. Can you tell? Look at my hands. I've been doing this afternoon, and then I thought, all right, I'm going to show our friends how to do this. Okay, well, that's not separating, so I'm just going to add it up here. All right, so I'm going to take my Mod Podge and an old crummy brush that I have. It's had lots of use. And I'm going to kind of pick it up in pieces, how I laid it out. I'm going to put Mod Podge all over my prepped part of my book, my art journal. And I'm also going to go over the top with Mod Podge. And I like to start in the middle and work my way out. And sometimes you have to go under and add a little bit more. That's okay. Make sure this is still wet. Put this, let's put this one this way. Again, start in the middle. Go out. And then I'm going to add this one right here. And then these I'm going to bring down here with a little bit of green. This one I'll put this way. And you just continue until you have your page covered. There's that. And here's my last one I think I'll put on. If it happens to go over the edge, just take that, and you can cut it when it's dry, or you can just kind of hold it along the edge and tear it. Okay. Step one. All right, the second step in this is that I have a dry brush. I have my Artist Loft white acrylic paint from Michaels. And I'm going to take little bits of paint and go right over the paper towels. Now these paper towels, we used the Color Burst powders, and this was to sop up all the extra if people had extra. So I'm kind of blending this in so that I don't cover it completely, but I just kind of bring it to the background. And again, I'm just using little bits of paint. Just kind of doing a little scrub motion. And covering the entire page. I love this look, just kind of dreamy. Sometimes some of that paint color will come off, but that's okay. It's not hurting anything. And your paper towels, they might bunch up a little bit. That's okay too. All right, so you're going to let that dry completely, and then I'm going to come back in a second video and show you what we're going to do with it.